Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a minority corporation loan, making the process easy to understand. Minority business loans are crucial for entrepreneurs seeking capital to start or expand their ventures. These specialized loans often come with favorable terms, including lower interest rates and extended repayment periods, which can be a significant advantage. With over 11 million minority-owned businesses thriving across the United States, understanding these funding opportunities is more important than ever for sustained success. To qualify for a minority business loan, your business typically needs to be at least 51% owned and controlled by one or more socially and economically disadvantaged individuals. Lenders also look for a robust business plan that clearly outlines your goals and financial projections. A good credit history is generally essential, though some microloan programs may be more flexible. Additionally, certain initiatives, like the SBA's HUB Zone program, target businesses in specific geographic areas, offering unique advantages. When seeking a minority business loan, several avenues are available. The Small Business Administration, or SBA, offers popular programs such as the 7A loan, which can provide up to $5 million, and microloans, typically up to $50,000. Community Development Financial Institutions, known as CDFI, are mission-driven organizations that specifically support underserved communities. You can also explore online lenders and minority depository institutions, which often have flexible eligibility requirements and programs designed for minority entrepreneurs. The application process can be straightforward with proper preparation. Start by gathering all required documents, such as your business licenses, financial statements for the past 2 years, and personal tax returns. Next, create a detailed business plan that clearly articulates your company's mission, strategies, and financial forecasts. It is highly beneficial to work with experienced lenders and leverage resources like Small Business Development Centers, or SBDC, which offer free advising and can guide you through each step, enhancing your chances of approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.